Today I'm gonna show you a trick I use to get more clients as a software engineer. So what's going on, guys? It is Mike here, and let me talk to you about this trick. First of all, it's gonna be on LinkedIn. When it comes to getting clients as a software engineer, you gotta have LinkedIn, because every data you have in your career is gonna be put on LinkedIn. And you can share that profile with anyone that wants to hire you or check you out, and then he can just go ahead and read everything on your LinkedIn. And if he likes you and he sees value in you and he sees that you have a lot of experience in developing websites or softwares, he's gonna probably reach back to you and schedule a call with you and then proceed to other steps in this process, okay, of hiring, you can say, hiring a freelancer. So the trick comes in a section on LinkedIn which is called the recommendation section, and if you don't know that section, you're missing out on a lot of opportunities. So the recommendation sections is like a testimonial section, and there you can put and ask people to write you something about you. Like if you worked with someone on the same team, if you worked with someone in another team, if that person was your client, that person was your employee, okay? So there's a lot of types of recommendations, and the one that you should be focusing on is the one that says this person was your client, okay? This is very strong if you're aiming to get more clients as freelancer in web development or as a software engineer, okay? So this is what I did exactly. I aimed on getting a lot of this type of recommendations, okay? And you can see them on my LinkedIn right now, as you can see. So what happens exactly? Okay, so how do you even get them? First of all, you have to get some clients at the start, but these clients, okay, you don't have to aim high with them with the numbers, because first of all, you need a start, and you need to start with someone, okay? It has to be someone that's actually gonna hire you, even if you don't have any testimonials or even if you don't have any proven experience as like clients that you worked for. Of course, you're gonna have experience in developing your own platform or your own websites or any proven experience that you know how to do your job, of course, if you want to get your first client. But once you have that first client, don't aim high with the numbers. Aim on building some testimonials first, then you can shoot numbers with the next client. So this is what I did at the start. I just got people from my network and I decided to do them websites, offer them websites for not a cheap number, but like for a low number compared to the average market, because these people are like my friends in my network, probably fellow entrepreneurs in my area, in my town. So I offered them websites, but instead I made sure their LinkedIns are good. And it really depends on their LinkedIns. If someone has a nice LinkedIn and he's a founder of something and he has a lot of followers and he optimizes his LinkedIn very well and he is not like a blank profile and that's it, I aim on that person to work with him, because that person will eventually give me a recommendation at the end, okay? Because you priced him a bit low, not like a high price, and you went like slightly lower than the average price, and then you can ask him easily for a recommendation and he will not deny it at all. So once you deliver his website, okay, you get your cash in, and then you ask for his recommendation, and of course he's gonna give it to you. And once you have it on your board, you keep on stacking recommendations, and right now you can use that recommendation to higher your price for your next client, and it goes like gradually, okay? So the first client is at this low price, then you go up and up and up while building this board on LinkedIn, this recommendation section. And once you want to go for the high numbers, you talk with that client and you just send him your LinkedIn profile and you just tell him, go check out my recommendation section. You can see all the clients I worked for and you can see what these clients are saying about me. And this is super strong because, first of all, they're reading something very nice about you. So let's read an example of this person who gave me a recommendation because I built his website. So here comes a fellow friend that I've developed the website for his business, and he just said about me, Mike delivered a website for us, Lep3, with incredible speed. What I liked about Mike compared to other service provider is the ease of service and clear communications coming from him. Instead of a back and forth over tiny details and dozens of useless messages, we just sent Mike the copywriting and vision behind our website and he made it come to life in a matter of days. Highly recommended. Okay, once your next client will read that, he's gonna see the power of that person, of course, by going to his profile. So if I go to Karim Saadi profile, okay, you can see that he's a founder, he's a community manager and an educator. He has 2K followers, he has a lot of LinkedIn posts, he has a lot of activities in network, okay, and he's in Canada. So There's a lot of power that this person holds. Other than that, he talked about me in a very great way, and he just said that I'm an incredible developer with incredible speed, because this is what I aim for. I aim on delivering great websites with ultimate speed to my clients. So this recommendation itself can bring me the next client. And if you go up, you can see other testimonials or recommendations. You can go check them out on my LinkedIn, but you get the point. The trick here is actually getting recommendations. You don't have to aim for the price at the start. This is how I started. Go for the recommendations for the people. Get some network around you. Get some people that love your work, even though you didn't price too high. And then you can aim more and more with the price with your next client. But building that testimonial wall, building that recommendation wall on LinkedIn is super crucial. Okay, right now I need you to do a favor for me. Go to Dev Treasure Discord. You can find it in the description down below, and tell me why you are struggling in freelancing. Okay, I want to know what are your problems so I can create content about that. Okay, go on the Dev Treasure Discord. It's our Discord, my Discord, and let's have a talk there. Okay, let me help you. Last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, give me a subscribe, give me a like, and turn that bell, because I'm uploading a lot of content about software engineering and sharing my experience as a developer. Okay, see you guys in the next video.